Alright folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, how to cook moose nose. Here's our moose nose. Let's get started. Here's a fire we got made for you. What you do is you want to burn the hair off first. So we'll do that. Yeah, we'll cinch the hair off. We'll continue, we'll cinch it. It's kind of wet, it'll dry and then cinch. Coming along. You want it like that, folks. You can do this with your moose. It's very delicious. One of a delicacy. Moose nose is delicacy. Look at that. Smoked. Delicious. Got more hair here. It's drying up. We'll throw it back in. Never throw meat. Look at that, folks. Scrape that off. Little bit of hair there left. It was wet. Most of it's done. You want it like this, so I can smell that moose nose. Get that char off. Yeah, we'll try to get this one here. We'll help it get some out. Right. Just that little part. Ouch. Wow, look at it smoking sizzle. Nice. I think it's done. Good to poke it right in there. Yeah. Looking good, folks. You can see it's shrunk. Poplar wood I'm using. Yeah, how to cook moose nose. Very delicious delicacy. Throw down one more on this side. Always watch yourself when you might burn yourself. You could use you cut a stick and sharpen at the end. You could use a stick. All right, folks, moose nose is done. We've cinched it about 15 minutes. We'll get all the tar off and get in the pot. A moose nose, you cook it, it's an all-day thing. The longer you cook it, the softer it is. We'll cook it probably about 5 hours. I'll keep you updated as we cook it. You cook it till you taste it, till it's soft. About 5 hours, moose nose. It's an all-day thing, yeah. First, you gotta get it cinched good. Yummy, moose nose. Yeah. All right, folks, right there's our moose nose. Nice. That's how you get it started. There's the other side, there's one. And right here, look, folks, here's a pot. We'll put it in the pot. We'll cook it for 5 hours. So it's just soft, just like roast, long time. This here, long. All right, we'll get it on. I'll keep you informed. I'll keep you updated as we cook it. All right, how to cook moose nose. The moose nose is coming along, folks. I put a lid on there. Oh, it's boiling, really boiling now. You can poke it to see if it's done. Yeah, we'll cook it long so we know for sure. We'll know it's soft. Be very delicious. Moose nose is coming along. Moose nose. You can change the water if you like. We'll do that in also in the middle of the process. Okay, folks, the moose nose is done. We'll try some. We'll plate it and go on a picnic table outside, and we'll taste it. It's a delicacy. Right there is the moose nose. Been boiling for 4 hours. Always watch your cooking when you're boiling. It's very soft. You can even go to 5 hours if you wanted to. We'll put the moose nose on here. That's how it looks. See, look, you can see it. It's very soft. And then we'll turn it around this way. Yeah, just like pork. I'll cut one for you. See it? The meat texture. Look at that. Nice. All right. Oh, this falls off soft. If your moose nose is hard, and when you're eating it, it's not done. Cook it about 4 or 5 hours. We'll put it on a fresh plate and we'll go outside and try it. Nice. Moose nose. How to cook moose nose. Alright, folks, we're gonna try the moose nose. Look, looks very delicious. It is very delicious. Had it many times over the years. Alright, let's try it. Right there. We'll try a piece. Oh, very soft. Cut the top off. The bottom. Right there, look. We'll get some salt. Right there, folks, we'll try moose nose. It's good. Nice. Even the skin tastes good. Yeah. There's some meat on it too also. Moose nose. Yeah, 4 hours to cook it. If it's too rubbery and hard, it's got to be cook it till it's soft. One more bite for you guys, folks. Last bite. Very delicious. Some water. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was educational. How to cook moose nose. Please smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. Get your hammer, smash that subscribe button. Alright, thank you. Coming from Outdoors with Mike, Northern Alberta, Canada. Bye for now. See you in the next one. The other side, there's one. And right here, look, folks, here's a pot. We'll put it in the pot. We'll cook it for 5 hours. So it's just soft.